Hey YouTube, how y'all doing? So today's video is going to be pretty different because I'm not giving any information today. All y'all got to do is tell the difference between animals that look very similar. That's it. Now some will be simple, others will be so difficult that I have very little faith anybody is going to get it right. This is going to be so fun for me because I'll be able to expose anybody that's racist out there towards animals. And if you're racist towards animals, I'm going to cancel you. I'm going to cancel you. This is also a reward to myself for the constant uploading that y'all do not appreciate. But, that's fine. That's okay. I don't care. Now, I'm going to give y'all 10 seconds, which is fair enough. And also, before I start, don't you dare, I repeat, don't you dare fast forward. That's all I'm asking. Don't fast forward. I'm also asking you to get at least one wrong so I can call you racist and I can cancel you. But anyways, enough talk. Time to tell the difference. Now, the first animals that I have are a king snake, a coral snake, and a milk snake. Alright, next animals that I have are the African and the Asian elephants. Next animals that I have are the Tomastoma and the Gharial. Ooh, here's a difficult one. The bobcat and the lynx. Next, I have a legless lizard and a snake. Now, I'm going to give y'all another difficult one. Here's an alpaca and a llama. Here's a hare and a rabbit. Next, I have a seal and a sea lion. Alright, next, we have a mule and a donkey. Okay, turtle and a tortoise. This is pretty simple. If you're an OG viewer, you may remember this one. If you're not, good luck. I have a jaguar, a leopard, and a puma. This one right here is one of my favorite ones. We got a caiman, a crocodile, and an alligator. Alright, here we go. A wasp and a hornet. Next is a raven and a crow. Alright, final animals. Weasel and a stoat. Alright, I hope y'all got one wrong, at least one wrong, so I can cancel y'all and tell y'all are racist. Alright, so anyways, that's it. I'm out.